Are you feeling tired, sluggish, and have a lack of energy? Do you suffer from headaches and are unsure why? You may be suffering from dehydration. Just as a plant that will wilt if it doesn't get enough water, our body too needs water to function. In this video, I'm going to go over the importance of water and how it affects the body, as well as I'll tell you how much water you should be drinking. And stay tuned to the end to learn the best tips on how to avoid dehydration. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm an internal medicine doctor, and I make videos about health, wellness, as well as my life as a doctor. If you're new here, it's a pleasure having you here. Be sure to click that subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell to follow along on this journey of improving your health and your life. The human body is made up of 60% water. Each day we must consume enough water in order to allow essential functions to occur within our body. These functions include acting as building materials to make cells, as well as regulate our internal body temperature through respiration and sweating, and act as a mechanism for carbohydrates and proteins to flow throughout your body. As well, we need water in order to be able to flush out the waste from our kidneys in the form of urination. In order for your body to have enough fluid to carry out these tasks, you have to stay hydrated. If you don't get enough water, you have a risk of becoming dehydrated. Some of the first signs of dehydration include thirst, decreased urine output, as well as a darkened urine color. In fact, urine color is actually one of the first indicators of hydration. A color between clear and a light yellow indicates that you're hydrated, whereas if you have a very dark urine color, you're likely dehydrated. Other signs and symptoms include lethargy or a lack of energy, dizziness, headaches, weakness, and in more severe cases, you can develop a low blood pressure, increased heart rate, confusion, and in a worst case scenario, a loss of consciousness. How much water should we drink every day? This is a difficult question to answer because everyone is different. In a healthy individual without any medical conditions, it's recommended to drink between 1.5 liters and 2 liters of water every day. This comes down to 6 to 8 glasses of water. And although that may seem daunting, not all of the water intake needs to come from actual water. We can also get our water from the food that we eat and the oxidation within our body. It is possible to take in too much water, especially if you have medical conditions such as congestive heart failure, liver disease, or kidney problems. In these individuals, they need to take in less water and have a fluid-restricted diet. Now, how can you avoid dehydration? When you wake up in the morning, drink a large glass of water. You've been sleeping for 7 or 8 hours and not drinking anything. Therefore, by drinking water first thing in the morning, you're going to start off by rehydrating right off the bat. You also want to maintain your hydration throughout the day. What I like to do is take a water bottle with me at all times. Our bodies are so good at communicating to ourselves when we're thirsty, as thirst is a sign of dehydration. So whenever you feel thirsty and you have water at hand, take a drink. Another sign that our body does to tell us that we're dehydrated is darken and concentrate our urine. So the next time you're in the washroom, take a peek at your urine. If you notice that it's a very dark color and has a very strong smell, that is your body telling you that you need to rehydrate. You may also experience a dry mouth, or in medical terms, what we like to call dry mucous membranes. When you notice that your mouth is very dry or even a little bit of a sandy type taste, that is your body again telling you that you need to hydrate. When you're outside exercising or doing a very high intensity activity, you're losing fluid through sweating, and you need to replace the fluid that is lost through rehydration. Make sure that if you're exercising or outside in hot weather, or even if you're very sick with vomiting or diarrhea, that you maintain your fluids because you're at a very high risk of becoming dehydrated. Take a look at my last video where I discuss a few patients who I saw in hospital because they were so dehydrated that they actually ended up having kidney failure. I'll link it down below. You can also maintain your hydration by keeping up with different foods, such as fruits and vegetables that have a very high hydration content. Things like melon, berries, grapes, and even lettuce can help you get your fluid from a different source as opposed to just water. And finally, if you don't like water, try flavoring it with lemon or lime. This provides a nice citrus flavor and naturally sweetens the water, and it tastes pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below how you're staying hydrated this summer. And also give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and follow along this journey of improving your health. Everyone, stay healthy, be happy, and I'll see you on the next one.